everyone, I am Stephanie and welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing today of a ThredUp DIY designer box, my favorite box. My activity on YouTube has been a little bit quiet, and the reason for that is that, let's be honest, I overextend myself in the summers. I have things every single week. I tell myself, this week I'm going to stay home a lot of the nights. I'm going to stay home, I'm going to get things done, and then the week comes and I don't stay home one single night. People are inviting me out and I can't resist. Summer times are beautiful here where I live, and so I go out and then I don't get things done. So it is good to enjoy summer, but I also love doing YouTube, so I'm glad to be doing one of these. Anyway, I got this box. This thing was hanging out the side, which seems to be the norm now. When I get these, the little packing slip is hanging out the side, but the tape is still on the package. So anyway, for those of you, actually the box is a little bit ripped there, but the tape is still on it. This is a smaller box. This is a box that I got from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which is kind of like, that's almost always what I get, but anyway. Anyway, I am going to cut this thing open. So for those of you who do not know, I am Stephanie, and I am an eBay reseller. Have been doing that part-time for about 20 plus years. And I just do it as a part-time thing. During my day job, I am a marketer, and there's just something brand new every day, which I kind of love. So, all right, I got this thing opened. And I do unboxings, and I also do other things. I do collaborations, I do haul videos, and I do what sold videos. So, all right, I hope this is a good one. My last DIY box wasn't as good. And by the way, I am trying the camera from a little bit further away today because someone had mentioned they couldn't see things, and they were right. I didn't have a really good view of things, so now I have it. So, all right, this is the top of the box. I hope this is, oh yeah, I was just thinking, I hope this is a DIY, yes it is. That paper was in there, so anyway, there. Can I hold this up and show you? It's a little bit heavy is the only problem. But anyway, I see a pair of shoes, I see something green, I see something silver, kind of an athletic-like type thing. So let's pull them out and see. Oh, what in the world? Oh, ooh, I think this goes with the shoes. So this is a Prada bag, drawstring bag, and it's a shoe protector bag. So it goes with, oh, I'm gonna have to, I've never once contacted ThredUp about something being faulty till now. I don't think I can live with these. They've got a cracked heel. That's a bummer. I was so excited when I saw these shoes, but nobody's gonna buy these shoes with a cracked heel. I mean, you can't wear shoes with a cracked heel, right? I mean, I don't know, can you get them it's not just a heel, it's actually the whole, it's the whole insole. That's a bummer. Well, that is a huge bummer. I don't know, I thought it was good, I thought those shoes were good, but no. They're garbage, basically. I don't know. If you know of a way to do that, let me know. The next thing is this, Halmut Lang, kind of a beige-like shirt, and it's size 4, and it's silk. Now it's hard to do the tag when you're this far away, but there's the Halmut Lang tag. And it's a cute little shirt, and it's size 4. There, yeah, it's asymmetric, it looks like. Is it? Is it asymmetric? Let me look and make sure. No, it's not asymmetric. Well, it's kind of like wavy or something. Yeah, it's kind of like wavy. So here is, I'll hold it up even so you can see the bottom. There's the bottom. So I guess it's not. It's not. It does look a tiny bit uneven, but it might be just the way it's laying. So anyway, it looks like silk. I'm just going to look it up and see if it is silk, because that is a pretty important piece of information. Yep, 100% silk. There's a little bit of fading, but I don't see anything else really too wrong with that. So that is the first item. Next up is this green something. Oh gosh, this is pretty. It's an Alice and Olivia shirt, size extra small. I'm glad people left the tag in there. That was good. A lot of the times, I don't know why, but a lot of the times you get these and the tag has been removed. This is an adorable shirt. I don't know if is it a wrap? Looks like a wrap shirt, or is it just something to go over a shirt, kind of like a wrap to go over a shirt? I really don't know, but either way, it is adorable, and it's got this long, what do you call it, tie along with it. There's the back. Oh, it's so adorable. It is just adorable. There's the tag. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know what the material is. It could actually also be silk. And no, it's not. It's polyester, but it's a really nice polyester. So anyway, that is the next item. All right, next up is this. Oh gosh, this is pretty. Trina Turk dress. What size is this? Medium. Size medium. Okay, that is pretty. There's it's a ruffled bottom, or pleated is what I meant, not ruffled. But there is the tag, Trina Turk. And you probably know if you've followed along for very long, it seems like you really don't get a lot of designer goods anymore. You get more luxe. And they do put in the description that it's luxe, so at least they're honest about it. Here's the back side. And this is a really, oh, there's a little stain on this, so that's probably why it's in here. Down towards the bottom. Can you kind of see right there? But, yeah. So, that is the third item. Oh, we've got no shoes and no purses in here. How sad. We've got just clothing, which is kind of a bummer, but... Alright, here is a Parker skirt, size medium. Oh no, it's a dress. Okay, that is adorable. Look at that. Ah! That is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. I think it could be off shoulder. You know how you would just go like this? It's got the stretchy top, and then it's also got the stretchy waist. So that is Parker. I love dresses by Parker. Another more, if you ask me, more luxe, but you know, it is cute. And that is 100% silk. I was thinking that. Yeah, that is very, very pretty. So that's pretty. All right, next is Sandro Paris. It's just got some fading. Does it have a stain on it? No. It's a what do you call this? I can't think of the word. But anyway, it's got these lines, and it's cotton, and it's warmer. It's like almost sweatery material. Ribbed. Haha, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, and it's got cuffed arms. I think it's like half, is it half sleeves? Kind of half sleeves, yeah. And then it's got a crew neck, and then there's the back. And then what size is this? Let's see if we can figure it out. Ugh, boy, oh boy. No, I don't know what size this is, so I'll have to look that up. But this is, yeah, it's a nice shirt. So, I don't, maybe the size is on a different part of the tag. Let's just look and see. Sandro, no. I don't see the size. But anyway, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got one item left. Okay. Boy, oh boy, I am not batting 1,000 with these boxes lately. This is a Rebecca Taylor dress. It's pretty. It's got, I don't know if that's faux leather. I believe it's faux leather. But that is the Rebecca Taylor dress. And I love the leather look, at least. I don't know if it's real leather. Oh, this is a Rent the Runway return. It's got that tag on it, but anyway, the size is missing from this too, but I would say it's about a size 8 or so, something like that. It's really cute. It's got kind of like that fringy arm sleeves, and it's kind of fringy on top. It's really pretty. So, this might be one of the worst. You know, if it wasn't for these shoes that are completely ruined, I mean, you can't. Who's gonna go? Yeah, I'd like to buy those from you. I'm gonna have to contact them. That's a huge bummer. Anyway, Thank you for watching. If you are interested in any of these items, they are all for sale before I put them out on my eBay store. So email me at mystuffstyle@gmail.com and I will invoice you via PayPal. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.